Naghahanap ka ba ng RFO, House and Lot in Imus, Cavite? Baka ito na ang para sa'yo. Located along Aguinaldo Highway, malapit sa SNR and City Mall, Anabu. Sa labas ay meron tayong pocket gardens. Pagpasok ay isang malawak na living area. This is the maid's room or guest room, complete with cabinets, and this is the toilet and bath. The kitchen area, complete with cabinets, and this is the lanai area. Tara, check naman natin ang second floor. This house ay merong lot area na 110 square meter at total developed area na 144.3 square meter. Ito ang ating master's bedroom. Complete na siya with cabinets and vanity area. At ito ang door access papuntang balcony. Ito ang ating shared toilet and bath. At ang bedroom number 2. Ang TCP ng house and lot na ito ay 8.5 million at ang reservation fee ay 100,000 pesos. Available via cash, bank, or in-house financing. This is the door access going to the service area with free 700 liters water tank. And this is the parking area. For site viewing and reservation, please contact us.